Today I'll teach you how to remove your Facebook link from your Instagram bio. See, if you click on your profile picture, at the bottom left of your screen, at the top it's showing me links. If I click on one other over here, it's going to show me my YouTube channel and my Facebook profiles. Link by click on my Facebook profile, it's going to take me to my Facebook profile. Let's say I want to remove this from my Instagram bio. Simply, what I need to do is, once I'm in my Instagram profile, I need to click on Edit Profile. From inside Edit Profile, you can see this option called Links. Click on Links, and over here, it's showing me my Facebook profile. What I can do is click on my Facebook profile, and once I click on my Facebook profile at the bottom, it shows Removed from Bio. Right-click and Remove from Bio. Basically, it's done. I just need to go back and click Undone, and then go back. And as you guys can see, now my Facebook profile link has been removed. It's only showing me my YouTube. So that is how we guys can remove your Facebook link from your Instagram bio. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye until then.